Welcome to Mo Power Garage. I'm the professor, and today we're going to figure out how to get top dead center on this 360. Stick with us. In the previous video we did, some questions came up about how to find top dead center. The questions were, how did you mark everything? How did you know where the true mark was? Well, I had said we could get this tool out, and this is going to be able to be used to stop the piston when the cylinder head is not on the engine. So all we do is place it across the cylinder opening, tighten up our 2 bolts, and we will be ready to install or do the testing. So let's make sure they're secure. So as you can see, the tool extends down into the cylinder, and the piston's going to be rotated gently, and it just made contact. That won't allow us to go any further, but you see it's not at top dead center. Hasn't gotten all the way up to top dead center yet. Now we placed a piece of tape on the harmonic balancer, and we're going to line up our straight edge with the TDC marker on the engine. We're going to make a straight line, and that's our first mark. All right, now that we made our first mark, we're going to rotate the engine all the way back around until the piston stops again. Now we place another piece of tape. Here's our first tape down here. Here's our second one here. We're going to measure again with our straight edge straight off the TDC mark across the tape. All right, I rotated the engine so I can see the tape marks easier. And I'm going to take a tape measure and just measure between the 2 lines, coming all the way around, and we're getting approximately 5 3/4. So we want to find the halfway point of 5 3/4. So we'll divide it by 2, and it should be 2 7/8. All right, so we started by placing the tape measure on one of the 2 lines, and then we're going to measure 2 7/8 from there. So we've taped the tape measure on, and now we're measuring. And if you notice, our 2 7/8 is on that black line. It's not in the groove. We've measured this before, and our harmonic balancer is off by 1 degree. We'll look at that on the timing mark on the cover in a moment. So we've rotated our engine over to top dead center. You can see the piston's at top dead center. It's down the hole slightly at TDC. And if you come down here, there's our top dead center mark, and there's our black line that we've put on. We've lined that up with top dead center. If we look with our straight edge and put it where the TDC mark is on the harmonic balancer, we're off by 1.5, 2 degrees. So this harmonic balancer is not marked properly. Has the elastomer failed and the outer ring moved? Who knows? We got this engine for free, but I've marked this. This is what I show my students, how this could be off. And in this case, it is. Now we're going to take the tape off, and we're going to do it with the cylinder head on, do our measurements again. With the cylinder head testing to do the top dead center stop, we've got this comp cams unit, and then we've got this one that I made out of a spark plug, knocked it apart, tapped the center, and I've got 2 different bolts that I can use depending upon the depth I need, just to get it in and stop the piston basically. So we've got our spark plug body in, and now we'll just thread down this bolt. We'll flip the head and see how far it's extended into the combustion chamber. Now it looks like it's extended in sufficiently. Some people, and normally I would, have a jam nut on here. but not always. So a jam nut, so in case the piston hits this and tries to rotate it, that would mess us up. But it's not really necessary, it's just a precaution. Now we're going to put the head on. It would normally already be on the engine. You'd want to make sure you have the number 1 cylinder piston all the way down. So let's plop the head on and let's do our top dead center checks. All right, just like before, we're going to bring the engine up until it makes contact right there. Made contact and stopped rotating. Now we're going to mark our harmonic balancer. So we grab a piece of tape, find our straight edge and our Sharpie, find the TDC mark, mark it. Now we'll rotate the engine the opposite direction until it stops again. Just stopped. We'll mark our TDC mark, get our tape, straight edge, and mark it. All right, we've got our 2 marks. Now we can do our measurements. Let's get this out of the head so we can rotate the engine completely around. This time it came out nice. Nice, easy numbers. We're right on our line, and we're over on the 5 inch. So half of 5 inches is 2.5. 2.5 puts us right on that black line again. So we have a harmonic balancer that's off ever so slightly. There you have it. Finding top dead center with the cylinder head off and with the cylinder head on. As we showed here, we're off by about 1 degree, maybe almost 2 degrees on the harmonic balancer. Something's wrong with that. This is an original harmonic balancer. I know nothing about this 360. It was given to me, and it's just been sitting on this stand for years. Now this W2 head, that'll find its way onto something someday. Maybe this engine when I rebuild it in the future. But what we did today, we just found 2 stop points. We measured the distance between them, divided by 2, and that's our TDC. We proved with the cylinder head on and off that this harmonic balancer is off from the TDC mark on the cover. Thanks for joining us today on Mo Power Garage. I'm the Professor. I'll talk to you again at another date.